Once upon a time, there was a young woman named Emily who loved making videos for YouTube. She had always been passionate about creating content that was both entertaining and informative, and she spent countless hours perfecting her craft. As Emily's channel grew in popularity, she started to receive more and more comments from her happy viewers. They praised her for the quality of her content and the effort she put into each and every video. One day, a particularly heartwarming comment caught Emily's eye. It was from a viewer who had been struggling with depression and anxiety, and they credited Emily's videos with helping them get through some of the toughest times in their life. This touched Emily deeply, and she was moved to tears by the thought that her videos could have such a positive impact on someone's life. She knew then and there that she was doing exactly what she was meant to be doing, and it filled her with a sense of purpose and joy. As Emily continued to create content, she received more and more comments from grateful viewers, each one more heartwarming and inspiring than the last. She knew that she was making a real difference in the world, and it was a feeling that she would always treasure.